Alright guys, so here's a little video, a little up close of my bar that I built out of pallets. Sorry about that, a little close. I built this off a video that Marcel put up. I got the wood from work. One little piece of rope light in there. What you see there, the white thing, that's my beer pong table. But yeah, it works out pretty good. I'm going to give you guys a little tour of the inside here. Did a little bit, like I said, it didn't take too long. About 5 hours, 6 hours total. Little shelving unit. This is my ice bucket. Beer storage underneath. Nice storage shelf. You know, like I said, it fucking holds everything. It's fantastic. Got a little mini fridge underneath there. Can't see that too well. Hang on there. Turn the light on so there we go. 2 power strips. Yep. But that's everything. Like I said, a couple hours. Didn't take much to build it. So, I'm kind of happy with the way it came out. I just wanted to give you guys that update and let you know what I've been up to. I got some more videos coming soon. Keep your eyes out. They should be fucking awesome. Alright, have a nice fucking day, eh?